have the clutch in now. And pushing on the brake. It just does a bunch of crazy stuff. It's clicking on its own. Flashing. Unlocking and locking. The trunk just unlocked there. And the battery is 12.2 something volts.